Hello friends, this is Amitanshu Manu. I am currently pursuing dual degree in mechanical engineering. Last year I did an intern at Dr. Reddy's laboratories. My work there was related to operational efficiency, which roughly means streamlining the activities taking place in a manufacturing plant to increase the total production efficiency. My work location was a manufacturing unit in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. You might not have heard of this place, but it's very likely that if you read the backside of a medicine, you will find it there. It's a pharmaceutical manufacturing hub. The 2 months spent there gave me the first industrial experience and an insight into the working process of a plant in both technical and managerial sense. So that was a brief introduction about me. Now I would like to address few common questions related to internships in core mechanical engineering. So first is preparation. For core ME, few basic topics you could brush upon are thermodynamics, fluid mechanics and mechanics of solid. Concepts in thermo such as thermodynamical laws, cycles and definition of various quantities. In fluid mechanics you can learn types of flows, Navier-Stokes equation, and in mechanics of solid like stress strain relations, of beams, etc. Would have done a course on each of them till now, and you can just refer back to the lecture slides and notes if you have them. In case you don't have them, the major concepts can easily be searched upon and read from the internet. If you are able to revise what you have studied in the respective courses, I think it would be quite enough. Next major concern is regarding specific skills and core projects. If you have done them, it's good. But in view of the fact that this summer it wouldn't have been possible for most students, you need not worry a lot about those. Few companies look for skills in some computational software such as ANSYS or other equivalents, but again, these are not major requirements. They are not expecting you to be proficient in these after 2 years of college. You just have to show that you are willing to learn new things. After these come the tests. There will be a test based on knowledge of core subjects, for which you can already prepare as mentioned above. Many companies do also have an aptitude test, so some practice in quantitative and logical reasoning would help you to ease out in the tests. Next up are the interviews. Usually the interviews have 2 or 3 rounds, which may include HR round 2. There can be more than one panelists. A general tip here is try to be well versed with your resume, especially the work or projects you have done or the courses that you have mentioned in your resume. A common concern among us mechanical guys is about the companies visiting. Frankly speaking, the number of mechanical core companies is not as large as their software or analytics counterparts, but there are enough opportunities and good ones too. Just be patient and choose wisely too. The list of companies would be available on SPO portal, so you can go through them. Now let's talk about the work profiles and how the work is structured. In core profile, there can be two subdivisions, namely research and supply chain management. In former, you might have to do more of a reading scientific literature and present a solution or analysis of a problem. While in latter, you are directly involved into the plant activities. And it might not be directly related to things that you have studied. It might feel bit uninteresting at times, but it would surely give you a taste of how a manufacturing facility works. So don't get bogged down if you feel out of your comfort zone. The usual work timings are 9 to 6, 5 days a week. The work pressure varies and depends on a lot of factors, but surely it won't be something you can't manage. There are weekends, and weekends can be used to let off some steam and cool your heels and do some fun activities. About interns outside SPO, you can directly send resumes to company HRs or use LinkedIn as a platform. You can get more info on this from seniors who have gone through this way. So finally, regarding the future in core ME, many companies offer a PPO, that's a pre-placement offer, if you perform decently. Even if you are not sure about taking up a job in the same company, you should still shoot for a PPO. as it reflects that you have performed satisfactorily and also acts as a backup in the coming placement session. A good intern will lay foundation to better opportunities later on. So, this was a brief overview of the internships in Core ME. Hope you find this helpful. And if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me or any other senior around you. Thanks and all the best for the future.